Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk on the symptoms of PCOS. Well, I know most of you here might already be aware of it, but do you know the real reason behind these symptoms? If you are facing these symptoms and you are ignoring it, then you need to hear this. In this video, we are going to brief about each symptom and its reason. Stay tuned to understand about your body with PCOD. Well, this video is for those girls or mothers whose daughter has just hit the puberty, might be facing these symptoms already but might not be really be aware of it. Let's start from the girls who has just hit the puberty. These girls will have normal puberty in all respect, but when it comes to regular periods, they fail. Now let's jump into the symptoms one by one. The first one, irregular periods. To understand what irregular period is, let's first see what is regular period. The average is to have periods every 28 days. Regular cycles that are longer or shorter than 23 to 35 days are normal. Now you might ask, sometimes my periods come early or get delayed by 2 to 3 days. Is it normal? Yes, absolutely it's normal. But when it delays for a longer time, like more than 30 to 45 days, that is when you need to check whether you made any dietary changes, or maybe because you're not feeding your body with proper amount of food. The second one being hirsutism, which means facial hair. You might have seen girls who might have facial hair like men on the chin, around the cheeks and below the nose. This is basically because of high androgen, which is a male hormone in the body. The third one being skin issues like acne, oily skin, mood swings, weight gain. Now these are something which happens when your body becomes insulin resistant. That means your body is producing lot of insulin than required. Now insulin resistance is another vast topic anyway, which you can research about to get little knowledge. The fourth one being severe hair fall. This is a big concern in girls these days. They face heavy hair fall and might be ignoring it. This results in baldness around the crown area, just like men. But if you are still ignoring it, thinking it's just a normal hair fall, think twice. Why you get this in first place? This is something which is again a cause of overproduction of male hormones in the body, that is called as testosterone. Now you necessarily need not have all these symptoms, but if you see any two of it, then please do visit a medical expert, make changes to your lifestyle, don't procrastinate till it gets too late. To know more about PCOS, wait for our next video on the PCOS series.